Hey guys, wanna join a public Discord server with and without an invite link? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. First off, if you have the link, simply open the Discord app on your mobile device and now click on that plus icon right below all of the servers you have already joined and right there at the bottom left. So just give it a tap and here click on the join a server option. Now in this field, paste an invite link just like that and click on the join with invite link option. Now simply tap on the accept invite and that's pretty much it if you have the link. Now, if you do not have the link, you would have to use the Discord on the desktop version. So to do that, exit the Discord app and open any browser like Safari or Chrome. I will use Safari actually, and then in the search field, enter Discord login. Now simply click go at the bottom right and here click on the login option. Then you will be probably prompted to enter your Discord account, and when you did, from this menu, click on this horizontal 3 lines at the top left. Now, when entered, scroll down a bit until you see the compass icon at the bottom left. Just give it a tap and you will enter the featured servers. Here are a lot of public different servers that you can freely join, or you can use the loop icon to enter the search field and then search for an exact public server by the name you want to join. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.